Welcome to my little country kitchen. This is Marianne. We are going to be testing out my new Christmas present that my work sent me. And so we are going to be using this recipe, milk bread. My name's Marianne, by the way. So let's get everything going. I already have everything laid out, so it should be pretty quick. It says to mix the water, oil, and sugar and salt together. So instead of water, we're doing milk. So this is 270 grams of milk. I'll put that on the bottom. And I already have the mixer thing in there. And then, instead of oil, we're doing butter. It said to cut it up into pieces. Okay. And sugar. This is just regular granulated sugar. This beats the yeast and makes the dough rise. And the salt. Nope, I wish I would have added this last because that defeats the purpose of feeding the yeast. It kills the yeast. Then we do the dry materials, which is the flour. This is bread flour. I'm using King Arthur bread flour. 480 grams of bread flour. And I do like measuring that because when you do a cup and you shake it, it does settle and adds more. And then some wheat gluten. This is the wheat gluten that I used. I just opened it. I got it from, I believe, Macy's. And now the yeast on top. 1 teaspoon of yeast. And that was 1 teaspoon of wheat gluten. Here's a recipe again. I'm sure you could also make this without a machine. Okay. Menu. Let's see. Menu. Oops. Okay, menu 9. There we go. Now I can start it. Okay. Now it's stirring. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, this is how it came out. My husband said it looked like
blob.
A space rock, a moon rock. My son said it looked like an asteroid. Let it cool off finally. The crumb looks good. It bounces back, so it cooked it properly. Taste. Well, taste it.
I will.
Well,
Right. I don't care what it looks like.
it's still yummy. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe and see how I fixed it the next time.